Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today we're going to make some tuna patties. Let's get started. We're going to add a slice of bread to the food processor and along with salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder with a little dill. And then we're going to process that to make seasoned breadcrumbs. Now you can use just breadcrumbs with ready-made with the seasoning if you want. And we'll take those breadcrumbs and just put them in a bowl. And to that we're going to add 2 cans of drained tuna and an egg. Once we have everything in the bowl, then we're going to mix it up really well to incorporate it all together and to moisten those breadcrumbs really well. Then once we have it all mixed, we'll go ahead and shape them into patties. And when you're shaping the mixture into patties, this recipe makes 4 patties. Be sure to pat the edges together so you don't have little pieces that'll break off while cooking. To a warm skillet, I'm using my electric skillet here, we're going to add some oil and then just place the patties on the hot skillet to help them cook. Usually about medium-high works well. We'll let them cook until they're browned on one side and then give them a flip to brown them on the other side. And if you want the printable recipe, look for the link below the video. And we'll just let them cook until they're brown on both sides and make sure not to move them too much. That'll help them hold together better. You can serve it on a leaf of lettuce and add a little bit of tartar sauce, and these just turn out really delicious. So if you like this recipe, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.